Annyeonghaseyo, Lijen. So, Lijen, bago pa kaabot from school?
Yes.
Okay. So, Lijen, since wala ka during live, kay nag-removal exam ka, right? Sa imong English subject. Okay. So, Lijen, someone gives you 1 sack of rice. So, money ang 1 sack of rice, ha? Then, 2,000 pesos for your allowance and 2,000 pesos for your Cebuana savings. Please receive. So 2,000 from your allowance and 2,000 for savings. Kinsa may naghatag?
Kim J1.
Okay, Kim J1 name gives you that 1 sack of rice and total of 4,000 pesos. So what will you say?
Kim J1님, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Bye bye, Lijen.